Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the time zone on an Android phone or tablet. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if you find the video helpful. Let's start. To change the time zone on Android. First, open the main settings page and look for an option called Time and Language or something similar. On my phone, it's called General Management. Within this menu, select Date and Time. Locate the option related to the time zone. Click on Automatic Time Zone. Then you can manually adjust the time zone, and you can set it to whichever time zone you prefer. If you can't find the time zone option in the settings, you can simply search for time zone using the search bar on the settings homepage. And that's how you change the time zone on an Android phone or tablet. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.